Now we are going to discuss about the electrostatic potential at a point due to an electric dipole. 1.5.3 Electrostatic potential at a point due to an electric dipole. This is important 5 mark. Now consider two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance 2a. Consider two equal and opposite charges separated small distance 2a. Now here 2a split out two way. One way midpoint O from positive charge q a distance. Another way midpoint O to negative charge q still a distance. Now consider at a point P located r distance from midpoint O. That point P make the angle theta with the dipole axis AB. Let R1 the distance from P to Q. Let the R2 distance at a point P from charge minus Q. Make the angle 180 minus theta. See the diagram. Now we are going to find out due to positive charge what will be potential at P. Due to negative charge what will be the potential at P. Due to both minus Q and plus Q, that is called the electric dipole. Due to an electric dipole what will be the total potential at P. Now we are going to discuss first one. What will be the potential due to positive charge Q at P? Due to positive charge at P, what will be the potential? V1 that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R1. Here you know very well about the potential formula. V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R1. This formula we are going to use in here. Second point, due to negative charge what will be the potential at P? V2 that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q divided by R2. Third one, what will be the total potential at P? What will be the total potential at P. V is equal to V1 plus V2. What is the value of V1? V1 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q divided by R1 plus what will be the potential due to negative charge, that is V2 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q divided by R2. Here 1 by 4 by Q, 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q, 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q is common, taken out. Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught, remaining term 1 by R1 plus to minus 1 by R2. This is the potential formula. Now we are going to find out 1 by R1, 1 by R2. From the diagram, using the cosine law, you can find out 1 by R1, 1 by R2. What is the cosine law? Using cosine law, from diagram, புரியறதுக்காக தமிழ்லே சொல்றேன். இந்த கொசைன் லா மட்டும் இந்த டயக்ராம்ல வந்து இந்த போர்ஷன்ஸ் மட்டும் நீங்க கட் பண்ணி எடுத்துங்க. அதாவது BOP ட்ரையாங்கிள், POP ட்ரையாங்கிள், POP தனியா வரைஞ்சிக்கலாம். தனியா midpoint O or theta R1 POP. கொசைன்ல என்னன்னா, இந்த தீட்டாவுக்கு சைடில் இருக்கிற ரெண்டு பாயிண்ட், டூ சைட்ஸை வந்து ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணி ப்ளஸ் பண்ணிக்கணும். அப்புறம் அந்த தீட்டாவுக்கு ஆப்போசிட்டில் உள்ள வேல்யூவை நம்ம வந்து ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணி செப்பரேட் பண்ணி, இந்த தீட்டாவுக்கு சைடில் இருக்கிற ரெண்டு வேல்யூ நம்ம வந்து ரெண்டால் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி டிவைட் பண்ணால் அதான் கொசைன்லாம். எஸ், நவ் using the cosine law for triangle BOP, cos theta, two sides of theta square r square plus a square minus opposite side the theta r1 square divided by 2ra, and cross multiply 2ra cos theta is equal to r square plus a square minus r1 square. Taken out the r1 square this side, r1 square, that is equal to r square plus a square minus 2ra cos theta. Again write the equation for simplification. R1 square, that is equal to r square plus a square minus 2ra cos theta. From this equation, r square taken out commonly, r1 square, that is equal to r square divided by r square plus a square divided by r square minus to RA cos theta divided by R square. Here R square cancel out. R square R cancel out. Remaining the term R is here. Remaining term you can write R1 square, that is equal to R square 1 plus A square divided by R square minus 2A cos theta divided by R. Here R is greater than, at a point P is located R distance, R is greater than compared to the A. So R is greater than compared to A square divided by R square is neglected. After neglecting, you can write the term R1 square, that is equal to R square 1 minus 2A cos theta divided by R. Instead of R square, you can take the 1 by 2. R1, that is equal to R 1 minus 2A cos theta divided by R whole power 1 by 2. You can take the reciprocal 1 by R1, that is equal to 1 by R 1 minus 2A cos theta divided by R or minus 1 by 2. Take the reciprocal, you can plus 1 by 2, you can change the minus 1 by 2. Now higher order term should be cancel out. So we are going to using the binomial expression, binomial theorem. Using the binomial theorem, புரியறதுக்கு தமிழ்ல சொல்றேன். 1 minus x whole power minus n இந்த ஃபார்மட்ல இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா இந்த பைனாமியல் தியரத்தில் நமக்கு கிடைக்கிறது வந்து 1 plus nx ன்னு கிடைக்கும். Now using the binomial theorem here, 1 by R1, 1 by R, 1 minus, here n is minus 1 by 2, x is 2A cos theta divided by R. So n minus 1 by 2, x 2A cos theta divided by R. 2 cancel, minus into minus plus, 1 by R1, 1 by R, 1 plus remaining term A cos theta divided by R. This is the 1 by R1 value. This is the 1 by R1 value.